Hi guys and welcome to the Team Manager Notion template. This template here to help you easy organize and manage your team tasks and projects. Let's take a quick tour and see how you can use it. There is a quick description about the instructions on how to use this template actually. Two toggles, which is second is quick links. Okay, now there is two sections, team management and calendar view, which is a task view. Okay, well, first let's go to the my team page. Here, let me scroll down. Okay, here you can add all the details about your team members, like their name. It's for it. Okay, your name, their name, role, strength, qualities, profile picture, date of birth and notes, and that's just like so and so on. And the best part is there's a section there. There's a feature that can let you know when is their birthday is upcoming. Like if they are if for example, take Emily. If Emily has a birthday this month, it will show you, alert you like Emily have a birthday this month, so that you can never forget, never miss a special day of your team member. Next, we have the task manager page. Wait for it, loading time is so sorry. Team manager. This is where you can assign all the tasks to your team. Simply add task, add due date, and fill all the blanks here. Like, let me show you. Okay, priority, date started, due date, complete or complete or not, and so on, like that. You can also see all the tasks in a monthly calendar view too. So like this calendar view, which is make it easy to stay on top of the deadlines. Next, we have the project hub. Project hub is where you manage all your big projects. Like you have two views, like start project and end project. It shows the project you started and today, this week, this month, tomorrow, which is you started tomorrow, and the next week you have the project you have next week and the next month. And in the end project we have the project that is ending today, this week, this month, tomorrow, next week and next month. It's simply a way to make sure everything is moving forward smoothly. Okay, next we have the note page. Okay, imagine you need to take a note during the meeting or jot down some thoughts or idea. Then head back to the note page, like this page. This note page is your main partner for writing quick notes and ideas. Whether you have a quick notes or detailed documentation, this page will cover you like a friend. Now let's go back and see something unique. Like, not unique, you may be familiar with this. Imagine you have a quick note, like hurry, you need to capture something quick and fast. So that's why there is a section called fast notes right here. And you can if anything, like capture that idea, like you thought of something like maybe this work, or some improvement tips you suddenly learn from a blog, then just write it fast so that you don't have to forget, you won't forget. Like Oh, an example, I say an example. Don't mind my language. Okay, fuck. I'm just example. Okay, you can jot down your thoughts and in a second like that and just fill in back there. You can open it separately. It's a yeah date URL and so on. So you say okay. With everything is organized in one place. Manage your team has never been easier. From keeping track of your task and project to celebrating team members, this template is designed to help you lead with confidence and care. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, just subscribe and like my so you can get more videos like this from me. Thank you.